In this video, we'll show you the latest steps to delete a Facebook page on mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the page. Then switch to your page which you want to delete. Once you're on your page, tap the profile icon or the page options in the top right. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see Access and Control. In this section, you'll see the option to delete page. Tap Delete Page, then tap Continue to start the deletion process. Facebook may ask you to enter your password to confirm that it's really you. After confirming, your page will be scheduled for deletion. Facebook will deactivate the page right away, but it won't be permanently removed until after a short grace period about 14 to 30 days. During this time, you can cancel the deletion if you change your mind. And that's it. That's how you delete a Facebook page using the latest Facebook updates. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and social media tips. Thanks for watching.